Should we choose the new? A matter of choice. How do people learn about what's happening in the world around them? They often get this information by reading, watching, or listening to the news. There are many different news sources or places where news come from. Newspaper, TV news show, website, and social media platforms are some of the most popular news sources. With so many news sources to choose from, it can be hard to know which one to choose. People have different points of view about which news source can be chosen to report the truth. The point of view affects how they get the news every day. Know the fact. In a 2018 study, 69% of American adults say they choose the news less than they did 10 years ago. Should we choose the new? Some people believe the answer is always yes. Some people believe the answer always no. And some believe this depends on the source of the news. Before you form your opinion on this issue, it's important to know all the facts. The need for news literacy. When people trust the news, they pay more attention to it, and it helps them become more informed or educated. This was so important to the forefathers that they make sure freedom of press was included in the part of the U.S. Constitution called right of a right. It's important to choose the news, but it's not always easy. Some thought that the reporter to make up story and others say opinion instead of fact. However, people can learn to spot the difference between their thought and truthfully want. Know the fact. In a 2018 study showed that 1% of Americans trust only 1% of Americans trust all news sources, and only 16% don't trust any news source. Most Americans fall somewhere between their point of view. We check the ability to tell us if a news source can be trusted. When people learn the literary skill, they are more likely to trust the right news source. They can also help other people learn how to find trustworthy news sources. Fake news. News stories are supposed to be filled with facts, but sometimes people try to pretend that fashion in news. The news story with a make-up to possibly mislead people are called fake news. In some cases, fake news stories have some facts in them to make them worthy, but most of the stories are lies. Some websites have been created just to post fake news, and they often look like truthy websites. If people don't have news literacy, they can have a hard time spotting fake news, and they might share it by mistake. Another fact, in 2016, people from Russia speak fake news of social media because they believe it could be fake how people vote the U.S. presidential election. Other countries have so been affected by fake news from Russia. A fake news is a major reason why people don't trust news sources. Some people believe it's safer to not trust the news than to trust the news story and then find out it was fake. It is really fake. A fake news is a big problem and people around the world are working to fight it. However, some people claim fake news is more common than actually is. This can make people even more confused about which source to choose. Some powerful people use the word fake news to describe the truth news stories that they don't like or make them look bad. The stories are really fake news. People who believe they should choose the news argue that it's harmful for powerful people to do this because many news sources can be chosen. Another fact. A major study of fake news in the United States was done in 2016. This study found that 84% of American audience believe they can spot a fake news story. Many people have spoken out against the use of fake news to describe the trustworthy news story and thought they believe it makes people less likely to trust news. Thought that they're actually doing a good job of reporting the truth. Sharing on social media. The internet is a major source of news for many people. Social media platforms allow people to share news quickly and long ordering. However, people share on social media isn't always true. More than half of all people who get the news on social media expect it to be accurate or incorrect. Many stories that are popular on social media are untrue or only partly true, but people often keep studying them because they get attention. They sometimes do this even if they know a story isn't true. Note the fact, as of late 2018, 68% of audience in the United States say they use social media for news. Most of the people who get the news from social media do also because they like how easy it is. People at the center of major events such as a storm, a protest, or an act of violence. Sometimes they say own report about the event on social media. It's easy for someone who not there to pretend that they are and spell false information about what's happening. Checking the fact. But some people believe the internet makes it harder to trust the news, but others believe it makes it easier. People can use the internet to help them spot fake news and find the true story. There are many trusted websites that can use to check a fact sources from news shared on social media. The internet allows people to find facts easier and faster than before. People who write news stories, often called journalists, can use the fact to make their story accurate as possible. Storyline. Journalists often use the internet to check the fact that they in the news story. You can use the internet to check the fact too. Being biased. Journalists are people and people aren't perfect. They can make mistakes in the news story, which sometimes make it hard for people to choose that they report. Also, journalists sometimes let their opinion and feeling affect how they report on an event or a person. Many people don't choose news sources that they believe are biased. A bias is an unfair belief that one person thinks is better than other. People often feel that the news story about the public are biased. In some cases, they won't trust a news source that doesn't share their opinion about the government. Another fact, in 2018 study about the news source and truth show that a bias is one main reason why people don't trust the news. More than 40% of American audience say bias or unfair reporting was a reason they didn't trust certain news sources. President Donald Trump has said that they feel some news sources write unfair stories about him. Many people agree with him, but others believe certain news sources are biased in his favor. Both groups of people believe the news isn't being reported fairly by certain journalists. A journalist's job. Some news sources have clear bias But in most cases, journalists don't let their feelings get in the way of their reporting. Most journalists study how to report the news fairly, and actually in school they were trained to be trustworthy. Professional journalists have rules that they support to follow, and one main rule is to seek the truth and report it. If journalists do the job correctly, they keep the personal base out of the story and only report the fact. When people believe journalists are doing this, they're most likely to trust them. Know the fact, Americans are more likely to trust so-called news than national news. In a 2018 study, more than 70% of Americans say that they trust local newspaper and TV news report, but only around 50% of them trust national online news. Most journalists believe they have a responsibility to inform people about what happens in the world and to report the truth about important people and events. They work hard to make sure that people can trust them. Not easy question. Should we choose the news after learning the fact in clear? This isn't always an easy question to answer. Some websites, social media users are not sources shouldn't be treated. They post fake news and have clear base. Other news sources however work hard to be truthful. This is why literacy is important. When people know which news source to trust, they're most likely to inform and activate state side. They're also more likely to use what they learn from the news to form their own educated opinion about the world around them. Another fact, in 2018, the New Literacy Project began working on teaching a new literacy in middle school and high school across the United States and around the world. Today, hundreds of thousands of students are learning the new literacy skills because of this project. Should we choose the news? Yes, sometimes news stories are called fake news and actually worthy. Journalists can use the internet to find facts to make their story as actually as possible. People can use the internet to take facts in news story and learn which story to choose. A journalist is trained to be fair, to accurate, to report the truth. No, fake news is a big problem and make it hard to know what the source of the truth. Fake news gets spread quickly on social media because it gets a lot of attention. People can use social media to prevent the reporting from major events when they're not there. Journalists can make mistakes and sometimes have but that affect their reporting. There are some of the reasons people choose to either choose a news source or not choose one. It's important to treat each news story individually instead of deciding to choose or not choose all the news sources.